Shy, what's wrong with your sister? What's wrong with your sister? Go see what's wrong with her. She crying. What's wrong with your sister? What's wrong with her, Shy? Get that out of your mouth. Thank you. Thank you, Shy. Give it back to me now. Thank you. Huh? Oh, thank you, Shy. Hey, what are you doing? Biting it? What are you biting it for?
I'll find it.
Find what?
I'll find it.
What are you looking for? Shy, get away from that edge. You already know what happened last time.
What's that, Elise? Oh, Mama. No.
Don't snatch it. She's playing with that. Quit being ugly to your sister.
It's just...
Alright, you kissed it. Good job. Back up before you guys start fighting. Why are you getting mad? Oh, Shy, you're about to fall. Shy, you're too close. Can't barely see you. Oh, I just see all badness about to happen right there. Hey! Shy! I'm trying to record you.